Welcome to this lesson on angular acceleration, where we'll explore the rate of rotation change. This is part of our circular motion series, focusing on how rotational speed changes over time. Angular acceleration is the rate at which angular velocity changes with respect to time. Just like linear acceleration measures how quickly an object speeds up or slows down in straight-line motion, angular acceleration measures how quickly a rotating object changes its rotational speed. The formula for angular acceleration is alpha equals delta omega divided by delta time. This represents the change in angular velocity over the change in time. The standard units are radians per second squared or revolutions per second squared. Let's break down the symbols. Alpha represents angular acceleration. Omega represents angular velocity, which is the rate of rotation. And t represents the time interval over which the change occurs. Understanding these symbols is crucial for solving rotational motion problems. Angular acceleration can be positive or negative. A positive alpha indicates that rotation is speeding up, meaning the object is increasing its rotational speed. A negative alpha indicates that rotation is slowing down, which we call angular deceleration. Angular acceleration has a linear counterpart. Angular acceleration uses alpha equals delta omega over delta time, measured in radians per second squared. Linear acceleration uses a equals delta v over delta time, measured in meters per second squared. Notice the parallel structure between these two concepts. Let's work through an example. A wheel speeds up from 10 radians per second to 30 radians per second in 4 seconds. Using our formula, alpha equals delta omega divided by delta time. That's 30 minus 10 divided by 4, which equals 20 divided by 4. The result is 5 radians per second squared. To summarize, angular acceleration measures how quickly rotation speed changes. The formula is alpha equals delta omega over delta time. The units are radians per second squared or revolutions per second squared. And the sign indicates whether the rotation is speeding up or slowing down. Understanding angular acceleration is essential for analyzing rotational dynamics.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.